Good life, easy, baby. We're back.
Let's get it.
Good life, easy.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute. Doesn't it feel like just yesterday we started the podcast with the first episode about COVID, the new normal. What's gonna
it
change?
seems like it's been it's like a 1 year anniversary.
Yeah, what's going to change, what's not going to change. And now, 2021, we are back in a lockdown.
Like, who would have thought that we would be doing a podcast again about the infamous topic of coronavirus, but this time
This is the third one.
again talking about the negatives.
Yeah.
Actually, we would have thought that, okay, the third podcast would have been like, okay, now it's over. Now there ain't no COVID.
we would hug it out.
Yeah, you know, that okay.
Say that thank God
Like,
we're not wearing
with our
masks
heads
anymore.
held high,
Yeah.
we would be like, we overcame.
Yeah.
But back to square one, bro.
Back
You
to
know?
square one, bro. And it seems like the whole country is going into a lockdown.
Yeah, lockdown.
Mumbai is already into a lockdown. And I think now Delhi also.
They have to do it.
Yeah.
They have to do it.
But why do you think we are in a lockdown again? The cases are going high. That's crazy. But once we... Like
Correct,
vaccination is out, right?
correct.
What were we discussing? The only solution is vaccination. Once
Yeah,
the vaccination is out, we are sorted.
That's a whole different story which we'll
Yeah.
talk about. What I think, firstly, I think that people have been a little careless.
Super careless.
You know, now they're saying that there was a major dip from the month of, I think, November to January or something, right? Where there were hardly any cases.
Yeah,
Like,
2,000.
that's when, that's
People are praising India.
Yeah, that's when, like, people were looking at India as like a blueprint as to how we control the virus.
Correct.
You know, and till this date, scientists don't know how we controlled it. You know, so people are still talking, Devang. They are like, okay, people are still trying to figure out how it was done. Basically, it's just that people stopped testing. Right?
Maybe you know what it was? It was like everyone was saying that, oh, we're going to get the second wave in September, October. The second wave is coming. Everyone thought we went through the second wave. But I think this is the second wave.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
I don't think anything changed in October, September.
Yeah.
It just was going up and then dipping
It was
slowly.
going down. Yeah.
And now all of a sudden,
Correct,
when you allow
correct,
more
correct.
local trains are on, then it's going to be a...
And another thing, another good, like I was just trying to understand. There was a point, there were 2-3 months in the middle where India was open. Clubs were open, people are partying.
Yeah.
Everyone's having a good time. What corona?
Yeah.
And at that time, all the Western countries started going into lockdown, right?
Yeah.
So that's when people are like, oh, okay, so India is like a blueprint. They've controlled coronavirus in such a way that now it's like they've got herd immunity.
India is doing something right.
Yeah, India's doing something right, you know. And everyone are like, okay, like herd immunity is working in India, this, that. And now when the Western countries are coming out of lockdown, we're going back into lockdown.
Yeah.
You know?
Unfortunate, bro. And in, January, February, you were like, I could see a little optimism coming back. I could see that literally the year 2021 has brought optimism to people. No one was sad and depressed like last year. Last year,
Correct.
everyone you spoke about, all they had to, it was all sad stories about Corona. January and February, people were taking it in a good stride. They were like, okay, we are booking our losses for last year, but now it's a fresh start,
Absolutely.
Fuck whatever happened. Everything's going to get
Move on.
better.
Move on.
And as you said, people got a little extra careless. And I remember on Sunday, I was passing by Chowpatty and there were so many people. It would be hard for you to find sand. There's so many people.
Imagine.
Yeah.
Imagine. But they're saying that there are basically, dude, there was this hard start even I can't get my head around it. They are saying that Maharashtra's COVID cases account for around 60% of India's cases.
Yeah.
Yo,
Overpopulation, I guess.
that's hard. And then second is basically Kerala. And third is Punjab.
All right.
So Punjab people think, no, what's going to happen to me?
Yeah.
Nothing. Bring it on.
Yeah.
Bro, the highest mortality rate is in Punjab.
Really?
Highest. It's basically 2.5 times more than the normal country's rate, which is like around 1.4%.
All right.
Punjab's mortality rate is like 3.5.
Wow.
They're saying that people take it lightly and then they don't check themselves in at the right time.
Yeah.
In hospitals.
People definitely were taking it lightly. People
Yeah.
would, and obviously that the second thought is like we eventually have to move on. We have
Correct.
to get a
Correct.
start.
Correct.
So I don't know it's right, wrong, but I guess people got a little extra careless.
Extra, you know.
Yeah.
They were like,
And do you think this is a new strain? Like a lot of
Yeah,
people are saying that this is
bro,
a new,
you know.
stronger strain.
you know what they say about strains, bro.
Gets stronger with
The
time.
stronger the better.
But this time I'm hearing a lot of cases of people
Yeah.
passing away.
Yeah.
Like last year it was
Bro,
all
it's deadly.
recoveries.
It's deadly.
Yeah.
It's deadly.
And a lot of shortage
It's
of
mutated.
the remdesivir and
Yeah,
oxygen
yeah,
tanks
yeah.
and whatnot.
And I mean, now there are more symptoms, bro. Like now they're saying backache and all is a big symptom.
Yeah?
Yeah. Backache and actually one of my family friends' mother got COVID.
Right.
And basically she's been positive. She's been negative since a month now. But till this day she's experiencing body ache, bro.
Okay.
So they're saying that the new strain is leaving longer,
Weakness, yeah.
like, you know.
But even I've heard that
symptoms.
once you get corona, there is only one side effect, which is like a lot of weakness.
Yeah,
You
weakness.
take a lot of
Correct.
time to get back to your 100%. And maybe she's also going through
Yeah, bro.
that only.
So
But
yeah, this
hectic,
is the
bro.
new strain, I guess.
Yeah, this is a new strain.
New strain.
Cases are going helter-skelter. Being in a lockdown again, man, it's odd. I never thought this would happen again.
But are you scared this time, bro?
No, I'm not scared, bro. I'm not scared.
Like scared as in like, do you feel like, oh shit, it's back?
Yeah, it's the only fear is work, bro. Business
Work,
and all.
correct,
Everything
correct,
suffers
correct,
and
correct.
everything goes for a toss.
Correct. Or are you thinking that, okay, like shit, it might just take away like a few, like this time it's gonna like disrupt the population, boss? Are you thinking like that?
I think that
Because it is.
no, I think that this lockdown right now they've done it until May 1st. Remember they did this curfew and weekend
yes,
lockdown.
yes,
I
yes,
told
yes.
you that this is not going to last.
Yeah, it's a warm up.
Yeah, it's a warm up. This is not going to last, and people are going to get angry.
True.
All the markets, all the associations came together trying to fight with the government. That we
Yeah.
understand the problem, but how do we pay the bills? How do we
Correct,
employ
correct,
people?
correct,
How do we
correct.
pay the electricity rent?
And
Where are we
like,
gonna get the
I told
money
you this
from?
before, so you can't announce a lockdown right after financial year, bro.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, सब पैसा तो tax में ले लिया, अभी जियो.
हाँ,
Bro, all money to we paid in
तो
tax.
फिर,
Huh?
तो फिर.
And now April 1st, second week you're announcing lockdown. What is someone supposed to do?
Yeah, what is someone supposed to do? And it's not like the citizens have got any assistance in the sense of like, okay, your electricity bill will cut it by whatever percent.
Nothing. No
some
exemptions.
kind of financial help.
No exemptions.
Yeah,
bro.
no
No exemptions.
exemptions.
Just die.
Yeah, and obviously the excuse is that they need all the funds for the bed and all of that. But do you think one question that okay, chalo, last year we went through all of this, and what was the talk of the town that the government was not prepared around the world. No government was prepared for this. They didn't have enough masks in America and all also,
Correct.
So obviously India was also not that prepared. But now there was a whole year has passed. And again, we are going through this heavy shortage of oxygen tanks, Remdesivir, I think is for 2,000. I heard that people are selling it black market 40,000.
Of course. It's saving
40,000.
lives. It's saving lives.
Yeah,
It's saving lives.
40,000.
That's like a hot commodity right
Yeah,
now.
that
You
is so sad.
Bro, you're talking about funds now, bro. I was reading that basically, Serum Institute. Serum Institute is that Adar Poonawala, right? So he's got the license to manufacture the vaccine that Oxford created.
Correct.
Okay. So he's the main guy. Basically, he's the guy that's making all the vaccines right now. Okay. So the government, bro, was so foolish. Okay. What they said is that, okay, Adar Poonawala went to him and said, basically, the way they offered the vaccines to the government is that if it's via a government institute, we will charge you 250. If we are selling it to a private doctor, we will charge 1,000. Okay. So basically, the government goes back to Serum Institute and tells them that no, we'll pay you 150 rupees. Okay, but you have to understand that the capacity to produce is not a lot as per our population.
Yeah.
They are only being able to fucking I think manufacture 60 million or something a month. Okay, in December we had millions of vaccines.
Yeah.
What did we do with it?
I don't know.
Bro, we want to be the pharmacy to the world, na bro.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah, we gave it.
We want to be the pharmacy to the world.
Yeah.
So in December, when it was the right time to vaccinate,
Oh yes.
we are giving it.
That
we are
is
the
true.
pharmacy to the world. You're understanding?
That is a good point.
Let's correct our image. You're understanding, Devang?
But it's called diplomacy, Rahul.
I don't care. Yo, क्या बोल रहा है तू diplomacy? Huh? क्या है ये? So just think.
I completely agree
Bro,
with you.
now basically, if the government is only going to cut Serum Institute's profits, how will they increase their
Yeah.
capacity?
Even in the flight, they say that first you put the mask on yourself, then you put the mask on your child.
Then,
right?
absolutely.
So first protect yourself,
Absolutely.
then you help the world.
Yeah, bro. So right now Serum
That's a
Institute,
good point.
bro. Right now Serum Institute is going to the government and like, bro, give us some money. We need to increase our damn capacity here.
The one whole building burned down.
Imagine.
Yeah, one whole building burned down.
Imagine. And there's just been a bill passed, na, bro,
What bill?
for the construction of the new Parliament building. 20,000 crores.
Wow.
New Parliament building.
All right.
Let's go. Palace.
They must be having some. You can get. You can check if he has corona.
So I don't know where our tax money is going, Deva. Yeah. Where is it going, boss?
Yeah, a lot of
It
questions.
should come back to us now.
Yeah, a lot of questions are being asked about the PM fund also. That where is it going today? Public, like you should be accountable for the money. It's
on the
huge sum of
internet,
money.
at least show some books, na.
Yeah, why not? And I think how is it going to harm the government if they show you, okay, chalo, we've got hypothetically 5,000 crores and we spent this on infrastructure of medicines or healthcare workers or army or
Think about
whatever,
that. Think about
or
that.
even giving
Think
it to the
about
other
that. Yes,
countries.
yes,
But
yes.
you have to give a breakdown, bro.
It's very disappointing to talk about your own country like this because it hurts.
Of course.
It really hurts, bro. It's your
Yeah.
Mother India, bro.
Of course.
So,
Yeah.
but now it is what it is.
Yeah. But I agree with you that first you should solve your own country's problem and then you figure out what the world needs,
Yeah. And
I agree
basically,
with you.
like, we want, like, bro, actually, India is known as the pharmacy to the world now. That's what they claim.
Yeah.
But here, if you're putting all the burden on one institute and undercutting them only and expecting this institute to provide vaccines to the whole world and your country, kaise chalega?
Yeah. Basically, what happened is in the last, I think, 10 years or so, vaccines became a little, like they were totally, you can say, like, not in demand. So there were very few companies that manufacture it. So Serum Institute is one of the biggest. And it's in India and we're lucky that it's from India. So distribution is faster. But the whole world doesn't have enough supply because of this.
Absolutely.
I think it's one of the reasons.
Absolutely. So, see, when it comes to vaccine strategy and distribution, bro, it's a joke.
It's a joke.
It's a joke. Like, I think as of today, which is 19th April, like before we just started this podcast, I think they announced that now vaccines are available to adults above 18. And we are already sitting in, I think, April. So, yeah.
So that was my question, that vaccines are out. Vaccines were supposed to solve the problem. Why are we in a lockdown again? So as you said, distribution of vaccine is a big fail.
It's to put people in suicide mode, brother.
But there was a lot of talks that this last curfew and weekend lockdown happened because the public was not taking the vaccine. Public was just skeptical about it. Everyone was pushing it away.
But if you think
old people are taking it because the family was like, "Arey aap le lo, main dekhta hu." So a lot of
this
people
could be
are
a
not taking
strategy, bro. I think you've just you've just spoken about the main strategy.
Yeah.
That I think still people don't want to take vaccines. I think the young audience don't want to take vaccines.
Yeah. No, I'm telling you, even older people, I know so many older people who are like super skeptical about it. Right now, we don't want to take it.
Okay.
So many older people.
Let it develop.
Let
some new mods come
6 महीना 1 साल तो होने दो, अभी मालूम ही नहीं है कि the vaccine is good for 1 year, 5 years, lifetime. Nobody knows.
और side effects इतना जल्दी किधर मालूम होएगा?
Yeah. So, and one big problem for vaccine now, I think, is since we are in the age of overconsumption of content, you're being bombarded with information from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TV, whatnot, right?
Correct.
You don't know how to fucking billboards. You don't know how to filter it. Firstly, there's so much coming in. You're just reading headlines. That's it. Okay, because nobody has the time and the fucking mental ability to read through all of that and figure out what is true, what is not.
True that.
So nobody's deciphering it. There's no fact check happening. Instagram comes with, oh, this can be partly false and all. But bro, who's checking it?
Bro,
if someone, an influential person is saying something, we are believing it. If Rahul sends me a message, I'm going to take it as like, okay,
But why? Because the current state, the current mental state only of people is like in so much paranoia and anxiety, you're going to believe anything.
Exactly. So I think that's one of the biggest reasons, and for people being skeptical about the vaccines, is that there's so much bombardment of information. You're getting one news ke isko Bell's palsy ho raha hai, blood clot ho raha hai, and then you find out ke 4 in a million people get it.
Correct.
Which is very normal. Like birth control and all of that have worse side effects.
Worse.
But it's just that we don't have the full information. So, because even when I read such kind of news, and I'm like, oh fuck
this shit.
Still not clear. Still not black or white.
It's not like, okay, like the confidence. there's no
That's what I'm saying.
confidence.
There's no confidence because we have
in the
too much
vaccine.
information.
Yeah, too much information, bro. Like sometimes when you get so much, when there's abundance of information,
Yeah.
you know, it irritates you so much, bro. It's like sometimes
Exactly.
I want to throw my phone.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
You know, you post anything about COVID, that shit pops up, right?
Yeah.
Like, this is a COVID-related message. Please
Yeah.
visit COVID.org.
YouTube, Instagram, Facebook.
You know, it's just that shit.
Yeah.
So it's basically just the government or the media trying to pressurize your brain that, okay, now it's time for you to take the vaccine or you're going to keep going through this loop.
Yeah. And secondly, okay, chalo, below every post they're giving you the correct information about COVID guidelines and whatnot. But they have to put out the information better.
Absolutely.
Better in a way
Absolutely.
that the people of the country take it in and follow it. Why? It's good for us.
Vaccine, yeah.
Right?
True.
Don't you think so?
True.
The
Absolutely.
information can't come on an Instagram post below. It has to come on TV.
Correct.
Your leaders have to come on TV and say that, listen, guys, this is the fact.
Correct.
And scientific studies on the side. Ke dekho, why don't you also study? Because isn't it evident that today everybody has a cell phone?
Yeah.
Our drivers and everybody, right?
Of course. Digital
House
India.
helps, everybody. Digital India. So you can give the same scientific study in Hindi, right? I think that is the real way to put out information. Say something, say that this is the fact. Take vaccines, it's good for you. There are 3 types of vaccines. This is the side effects for this. This is how you have to take it. Scientific studies behind vaccine, scientific
Backing
studies behind
it.
this current vaccine. Then you know what? You and me are full confidence.
Correct. But that's why I'm saying the strategy is only so bad and so messed up
It's messed up.
that
It's
how
like
can you
taking
believe
it as it comes.
How can you believe
Sometimes I feel like everything is happening like taking
it?
it as it comes.
Take it, yeah. And it's sometimes being forced upon you, which now we will talk into. Now it's going to be forced upon us.
Yeah.
Right? It's just a matter of time. I think I was hoping that in 2022, 23 is when the vaccine will be forced and compulsory for every human being on this planet. But bro, this year only. Think about it.
I don't
Think
doubt
about it. It's already April and like it's back.
I don't doubt it at all. And bro, before 2020, I'll tell you something. I had nothing against vaccines.
Yeah.
Now, after 2020, just getting so much information about how bad the
Bad that
vaccines
shit
are.
is,
Like
bro.
there is a 50-50 divide. 50% of the people are like, dude, take a vaccine, it's good for you, good for your family, protect others, do it for others, do it for, you know, your surroundings and whatnot. Another 50% of the people are like, you're the lab rat.
Yes. Bro, and another point, Devang, is that don't you think that these big Facebook, Instagram and all these social media platforms are taking down all these conspiracy posts?
Yeah, what do you
What
think?
are you trying to show?
Yeah, obviously they
Huh?
are.
What are you trying to say?
Yeah.
Why are you trying to take down posts?
Yeah.
Freedom, no. Freedom of speech. Why can't people talk?
Against
Yeah.
company
If
guidelines.
you can fucking spread false propaganda, so can people.
Yeah, but
You
it's
know?
against their company policy.
Yeah,
na?
fuck that shit, bro.
It's a
Fucking
private company.
boycott that shit.
Yeah, so this misinformation is creating, I think, the biggest problem for vaccines. Because we really don't know the reality.
Correct.
We want to see both the sides because we are putting it in our body.
Correct.
Obviously, we don't want any side effects and
Correct.
whatnot. We don't want to be even
True.
the one of or
True.
the 4 of the million, you know, who get that
True,
severe side effect.
bro. I was so
So we are obviously
disappointed.
going to do everything to protect
Correct.
ourselves.
Yeah, bro. I was so disappointed right now. Before I came only, Sanjana, my sister, basically, she got this message now.
Huh.
Now vaccines are allowed above 18 and all. So she's been converted, bro. She's so stressed. Like she's like, I'm so stressed. People are dying.
Bro, you don't
know,
understand.
I can't take it
this
anymore.
This is what we're talking
You know,
about.
I
na?
can't take it
Yeah.
anymore. I need the vaccine.
This
I
is-
told her, hey, not in this house.
This is the strategy they're using
You know,
to just convert people.
That's
For-
what.
It's by fear.
That's facts. And it's
know?
also like they've got a hold on you because they're trying to tell you, listen, you want to live a normal life,
Yeah.
right?
ये तो लेना ही
You
पड़ेगा.
want to live a normal life,
Yeah.
right? You want to
Yeah.
roam around. You want to travel.
Yeah.
Take it.
Didn't we talk about in one podcast that do you think that if you want to travel outside the country, eventually they'll ask you that are you vaccinated? That's going to happen.
Of course, what have they introduced now?
That was we were laughing about
Yeah.
it. We were laughing about
Bro,
it. That,
those were
oh my
just-
god, ऐसा भी हो
Bro,
सकता है.
those were just drunk assumptions of whiskey, bro.
Yeah.
Or some good whiskey. We
Yeah.
were just throwing assumptions.
That was straight up banter.
you know, throwing assumptions.
And now,
It's all, bro.
isn't it like
telling you.
eventuality?
Tenet, bro. The bounce back.
The bounce back. Fucking hell.
So
Yeah, bro. Vaccines. Hardcore.
So talking about that whole traveling thing, also they've introduced. I think a few countries have now introduced the COVID passport, right?
Yeah.
which is like a way
That's
of saying,
hardcore, bro. That's
which is-
straight up hardcore.
which is a way of saying you're vaccinated so you can travel.
Yeah, that's straight up hardcore.
Yeah.
That's straight
So-
up hardcore. That's straight
Straight
up
up hardcore, bruv.
telling you that better take the vaccine, otherwise it's going to be a full task for you to
Yo.
travel. Huh? You'll have to land and fill a form.
Oh, you have the Indian passport. Oh, you have the normal passport. Oh, you have the whatever. Is like a COVID passport
It's gonna be an
issued by India? Like India will issue a
Yeah,
COVID passport.
I guess, yes.
Or is it like one passport?
No. It's
Like
your
a one
country
world
will issue
passport. Ah, okay.
about all of that. But
Okay.
I think it's an excessive,
Hmm.
as in a secondary.
It's basically
Passport.
proof of you being chipped.
Yeah, exactly.
Hmm?
Exactly. And yeah, bro, this is fear-based consumption of vaccine, you know, or supply of vaccine.
Have you fallen prey?
I don't know. I think eventually we'll have to take it.
No, bro.
We'll have to take it.
How are they tracking it?
I'm telling you. It's not about tracking. Just what your sister said. It's not like she's eager to take the vaccine. Okay? I am not even eager not to take the vaccine. I have nothing against it or nothing
So
for
you're
it.
saying that eventually down the line Devang will be vaccinated?
100%. And I'm telling you, you're not going to have an option.
Who said? You always have an option.
I'll tell you why. Because they'll cause so much inconvenience in your life that you'll be like, fuck it, let me take it. Because your peers will be like, bro, you're not vaccinated. You can't come in this meeting. In our building, in our office building, only vaccinated people are allowed.
So how
You
about
know, you're coming for boxing classes, bruh.
Bro.
Are you vaccinated?
Okay. But I'm just trying to figure out.
Because we have old people in the building.
I'm just trying to figure out, bro, as human beings, we are such bastards. That lying is a part of us.
Yeah.
So if you lie your way through that, you're vaccinated to save yourself, bro, to live. To live. To see a few years, bro. You're not. Bro, karma will also protect.
Oh my god.
You know, think about it, bro.
Oh my God.
Like you said, bro, look out for yourself.
Look out for yourself, but again, just think about it, bro. Lying about taking the vaccine and then getting caught.
How?
I'm telling you now, they're going to cause so much inconvenience in your life. You're
How?
going to be like, fuck it, take it. Okay, take it. You know, टीका. TB का लिया था टीका.
Oh,
अभी
so
ये भी ले.
tika, अच्छा. Some def.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Amitabh Bachchan will come now with an ad.
He's come out.
Okay, टीका ले लो. No, he'll come.
He'll come.
He did na for
polio, right?
Polio and TB and all.
World famous ad. So,
But you know who really needs a vaccine, bro? Businesses.
100%. क्या बात बोला?
They really
Bro,
need a
what does
vaccine. bro.
actually think about
Yeah.
it?
It was in survival mode last year. Everyone had just booked their losses. Everyone was like, okay, we are safe. We can get back. Money can be made. You know, businesses can come back. Everyone had an understanding. Everyone was like, work from home, adapt. Ye karenge, wo karenge. You know.
Correct.
And now, when everybody is struggling, you know, all businesses are shattered.
Shattered. I'm saying जितना भी
Survival has become difficult.
जितना भी पैसा बनाया, okay, from say November to March, how much ever money you made for how many ever losses you made last year in 2020, all gone
Double.
in a span of 2 weeks.
Losses have doubled.
Gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, what is the vaccine? What do you propose?
What is the solution?
What's
to
the
this?
solution according to you?
What
Is
the
there a solution, or is the government even capable enough to come up with a solution for
the
businesses?
government should somehow help in a little way, in a small way if possible. I'm not saying you tell everybody not to pay rent or not to pay any electricity, but you can help out a little bit.
Correct.
Help out a little bit.
Give the vaccines for free at least.
Give the vaccines for free.
Start from there, no?
That's what I'm saying.
Start from
Give
there.
the vaccines for free, distributed well. I would be so happy if the government took charge. Forget distribution of vaccine, forget everything. Just curtail the black market like gangsters. Finish those people who try to sell remdesivir and
No,
all
that's fucked
to the
up.
dying people.
That's
you know, if
fucked
the government takes action, strict action,
That's
fucking catches those people, the syndicate.
हाँ,
you know.
bro, it
Bro, I would
deserves-
be proud.
But now-
vaccine tomorrow.
Of course.
ये ऐसा किया ना
Of course,
तूने मेरे
of
लिए
course,
चल
of
vaccine
course.
tomorrow. At least I know that there's no malice, there's no
Correct,
cheating
correct,
going on. In
correct.
It's not a dirty.
But what was in the news yesterday?
What was in the news?
Who is behind this injection? Who's blocking the injection to Maharashtra?
Fadnavis. But they all.
ये सब न्यूज में आ रहा है.
But that's what I'm saying. The news you can't read because it's propaganda from both sides.
Then
One side is coming up with this whole story, and then you and me are getting charged up. के बहन चोद ऐसा किया?
तो
ऐसा किया अपने साथ? And then the other side is coming up with a
Full
equally
different story, yes,
convincing
yes.
story.
Fully manipulating.
कि ऐसा है ही नहीं, ये लोग तुमको उल्लू बना रहे, देखो ये इतना बाकी, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, and then you're just sitting confused.
Manipulation of the society.
Yeah, you just want to be like, shut the TV, man.
Shut it down. Bro.
चाहिए ही
Shut
नहीं.
it down. So now even if you look left, people are trying to fuck you. Look right, people are trying to fuck
Exactly.
you. And you can't move front and
So
back.
what you're doing is putting your own mask and be like, apne ko bachao abhi,
Bachao.
you know. So businesses, what do they need? They need a little help. They're not going to get any help, you know. But Indians are fucking resilient people, you know. Come out of the ditch 1,000 times before and 1,000 times after also we'll
True
do
that.
it. So
We will survive.
eventually you have to allow the businesses and allow the people to go to work. You have to eventually find a way to tell the people that your life is your responsibility and your surroundings are also your responsibility. Be responsible.
Correct.
You know, put in a good message.
Correct.
I am sure the people will listen to a good message.
Bro, see
The messaging
message is
has been so poor. See,
very
what
poor.
happens is now, we all know, right? Today, when parents also tell the children, don't smoke, don't do this, don't go driving before you're 18. What do the children do? What have you
They
and
do
me
the
done?
same thing.
We've done, when you're
It's
told
a fact.
not to do
Yeah,
something,
yeah,
you do
yeah.
it.
Human tendencies, bro.
And what does it create? It creates a fucking battle between the parents and the children. So right now, where are we? We are reading these news and we're like, bro, ये government ऐसा उल्लू बना रही है अपने को, वो government अपने को वैसा उल्लू बना रही है, सब उल्लू ही बना रहे हैं, अपन क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्या
कुछ नहीं
करे
कर
तो
रहे।
क्या करे?
We are getting
Losing
frustrated.
hope.
We are getting frustrated with the government because the messaging is so poor. You know, the information, the spread of information is so poor. If the government comes, you know, it should be like hand in hand. You know, we want to be with our leaders.
Yeah,
Why
bro,
would we
because
not?
At this point, it's we are fighting one common enemy.
Yeah,
You're understanding? You're not.
exactly.
It's not like a battle of nations.
Yeah.
It's one common enemy.
Exactly.
Okay. And if humans are only not fucking united,
Yeah.
how are we gonna succeed?
And also, don't you think like in all this time, somehow the rhetoric has been that if you're going to work, it's like a party. Like you want to fucking go to work.
Bro, I'm gonna
it's
work.
like a fucking party or something.
Gonna work,
that you're
bro.
going to work.
Oh shit!
You have no responsibility.
No
You're not doing the right thing. Sit at home.
Why are you spreading this shit,
Yeah, why
bro?
are you spreading
what
this
if
shit?
you have it?
Yeah.
But you're asymptomatic.
Yeah.
But my business is about to shut down, motherfucker.
Yeah.
You know?
So it's one thing to say that be responsible and sit at home. Just sit at home. Right now, the country is going through this. Yes, we all know this.
Arey, but-
this information is common knowledge for everybody. But somewhere, someone has to start.
Correct.
Right? You have to pay. The bills, the expenses have increased, not reduced.
Way too high.
Right? Today, you 3 times in a month, you have to sanitize your business also.
Then.
Everyone has to wear a
Then,
mask.
correct.
You have to make sure that only half the employees come, but you pay a salary for all the employees.
And petrol prices and all have gone like absurdly
Bro,
high.
वो तो भूल जा, वो तो भूल जा.
वो तो उधर जाते ही नहीं है.
उधर
मैं
जाते ही
बोलता,
नहीं है.
है.
उधर तो जाने ही कहीं नहीं है.
जाते
वो
ही
तो
नहीं.
अलग ही
चल,
बात है.
Done. और टैक्स तो हम लोग को मालूम है पूरा पैसा तो उसमें ही जाता है.
हाँ, tax.
हाँ?
Bro, सबने
Bro,
savings
as a-
everyone has paid taxes
हाँ.
from savings and broken FDs and whatnot, bro.
As a startup, bro, this was my first experience of running a company where I had to pay my company taxes. And I was shocked, bro.
Yeah.
I was so unaware of my taxes
Yeah.
that I was shocked that this is the amount of money we give to our government.
Yeah.
And in return, vaccines are not free. That's what, like, I was like, bro,
Absolutely.
you gotta think about this shit twice.
Absolutely. At the end, we want some support. It's our money, you know.
See, again, it's very disappointing that we as grown gentlemen and citizens of India have to sit and talk about this, but it's something that cannot be ignored.
Absolutely
You know?
not.
It's very disappointing. Like, I'm feeling disappointed talking about my country like this.
Yeah. And
But
also,
bro,
it's not like
we are the youth.
But also, you know what? We are not pointing fingers
No,
at
not at all.
somebody
Not at
and
all.
saying that इसने तो यही किया, ये भी ऐसा है, वो भी ऐसा किया. We are just saying
Yeah.
that there can be a better
Yes.
solution.
And it's coming from the heart.
And you know why we can say this? Because we are citizens of this country, you know, tax-paying citizens of the country. So when you're paying so much tax, you want to know,
Absolutely.
right? You have elected leaders. So
Correct.
when you have elected a leader,
You expect
It's
the
their
leader to do
job.
something. Yeah.
it's their job. You know, just saying that the government is not doing this properly doesn't mean you're hating against them. It's you're just telling them that buck up. We have chosen you to do
Yeah,
a job.
protect your fucking citizens.
Protect your citizens and listen to the citizens.
Yeah.
Nah? What are they saying right now? One thing is so for sure that everyone's in fear, bro. You know.
But still, na Devang, even though everyone's in fear now, there's two things that are always guaranteed, bro. That the government will never accept its mistake.
Oh, no chance.
Okay. And the public will always forget.
Absolutely.
These are two things that
Very well said.
equal India's population and ruling whatever.
Very
party.
well said. Very well said. Because at the end, when these things happen, you always feel that every political party is doing everything in their ability just to stay in power.
Correct. Everything.
Then
in the ability,
everything
yeah.
else is secondary.
Yes. Yes.
But the first priority is staying in power.
But tell me one thing. As a way to prove that you deserve to be in power, you have to prove that you can fucking handle a pandemic correctly, right?
No, that's what I'm
That's
saying.
a way of telling the public, dude, I fucking handled this. We got corona out of the way. The curve flattened. The cases fell. It was a success story. And this was done by this ruling party.
Yeah. So now think about it. Last year, did anybody complain? We all. What did the government said? Okay, this is a time COVID has come. 21 days sit at home. Everybody was like, okay, we got to do this. 21 days became 7 months. Everybody sat at home.
Correct.
Nobody wanted to sit at home.
Correct.
Everybody realized that, okay, the vacation is over. Now we are frustrated. We don't have anything to watch on Netflix. What to do? You know, my AC bill is going fucking off the chain. Where do I get the money
yes,
from?
boss. That's a fact.
Right?
That's a fact.
But everybody was hand in hand to defeat one enemy.
Correct.
Right?
One common
then slowly
enemy.
and steadily everything opened up because we were seeing that, okay, chalo, things are
Correct.
going down.
Correct.
But now, what's
Abhi
happening? Abhi kya? Where is the preparedness? एक साल था ना preparedness के
I'm
लिए.
just saying what are you saying is gonna happen this year? Any prediction like last year? You were on point, bro.
No, last
So-
year you were on point. You know why? I asked you I don't know which podcast I asked you this one question. I just remembered. I asked you that, bro, when do you think we are going to see another lockdown in our lifetime?
Oh yeah, bro. What did I
And
say?
you know what you said? Bro, next year. And I was like, impossible. This guy's a pessimist. I was like, impossible.
Bro.
I was like,
Told
how
you,
can
bro.
it happen,
Told
bro,
you,
next year?
told
What are
you.
you saying, bro? We just got out of one heavy lockdown.
Advising committee, I'm coming, bro. You know, let's curb this shit together. So,
But you know, another thing fucking COVID has infected?
what?
Conversations. Bro,
Big time, bro.
Bro, this is our third podcast on COVID. Secondly, every conversation with your family, friends,
Correct.
fucking peers,
Correct.
Associates has to have one nugget of a COVID topic.
Absolutely.
You know? Vaccine लिया, लेने वाले हो, क्या लगता है?
क्या लगता है? That's my favorite question to ask. क्या लगता है? Because you should ask that and then just let them talk, bro. Let them talk. What do you think? Just put your AirPods on and let them talk.
क्या लगता है? वैक्सीन का क्या लगता है? ये अभी केसेस कम, बहुत केसेस हो रहे हैं. Some people are like, ये तो सब झूठ है, ये सब उल्लू बना रहे, पॉलिटिकल है, एजेंडा है इसमें.
तो
Everyone you're getting different answers. But you can't ignore this conversation. This conversation is, I'm telling you, when I walk my dog in the morning also, bro, you meet somebody, you say hi. All of a sudden, we're talking about COVID.
Yeah.
And after the conversation, I'm like, wow, what a waste of time.
What a waste
It
of
was
time.
It was
But
a
you know
beautiful
why?
morning.
Bro,
And
yeah,
we
absolutely.
had a 5-minute conversation
Fucking
on COVID. Pointless conversation.
Absolutely, but it's something that, you know, that's adversely affected every human being. Like whoever you speak to is going through the same thing as you are going through.
Yes.
You know?
And some people worse, because imagine going through COVID without having sufficient financial funds the inability to go to the hospital on time and all. You know,
And
you
bro,
really feel for
and
those
these
people.
hospitals also charging like absurdly.
Yeah,
You have to pay lakhs. You have to shell out lakhs.
Yeah.
Again,
that happened.
that's somewhere where the government steps in, man.
That's
like
what I'm saying.
healthcare is so bad.
Yeah, Rahul, that's what I'm telling you. That basically, I would right now take the vaccine if the government comes together like a fucking mafia clan and all these black market guys,
Shut
all
them
these
down.
hospitals who are taking advantage. See, government has set a rule that 3,000 for this room, 6,000 for this room, and all of that. Whoever's doing anything extra,
Bro, everyone must be doing
everyone was
extra,
doing
firstly.
it. That too we know. Okay, it came out in the news. People
Correct.
did like they went with spy cameras
Correct.
and all of
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Bro, yesterday I saw one fucking video in Gujarat. 1 bed, 3 patients.
What are you saying?
1 bed, 3 patients.
Yeah, because there's
One
extreme
bed.
shortage. Yeah,
Single occupancy bed, 3 patients.
heavy.
You understanding?
Heavy.
So imagine that.
So
shit.
they were just sitting.
Bro, lying down. Like sideways and all. Bro, it was damn sad to
that
see.
is
And
damn
senior
sad.
citizens.
That is
bro.
damn sad.
Senior citizens.
That is very sad.
So
That is very sad to see, bro.
that's the state of
We would not
healthcare.
want any of our friends, family, or
Yes.
even our citizens, to go through this. It's very
But we are the pharmacy to the world.
yeah.
So
That's what I'm saying. All they do is they take action like this, na.
Correct.
कि भैं चो तू ये इतने में बेच रहा था, ब्लैक मार्केट में बेच रहा था, you're fucked. Make an example out of them. I'm
bro.
telling you, I'll be with the government.
Absolutely.
Hand in hand.
Hand
क्या
in hand,
चाहिए?
yes.
Should I convince Rahul to take the vaccine?
चलो.
मेरे को 1 महीना दो, हो जाएगा.
Backhand slap, guillotine choke, dead. Take the vaccine.
So yeah, bro. I think the rhetoric and the way they are spreading information has to change. It has to be the information or the message has to be that we are hand in hand with this. Right now, you know what it is? It's you against me.
Correct.
Government against citizen.
Correct.
गाड़ी लेके निकलेगा,
Correct.
पुलिस पकड़ेगी.
So it's a three-way war.
Yeah.
Basically,
It's a three-way.
the government is battling us. We are battling the government, and both of us are battling Corona.
And we should all be hand
It's
in
a
hand. I think
three-way war.
if the messaging was right, I think people would.
Yeah. Of course, bro. People
Because we all sat last
see
year.
what does a human being want?
Yeah.
Just a little bit of attention and a little bit of care
And security.
a little bit of trust.
Yeah.
You know, bus and a little bit of security. That's it. Doesn't take a lot to please a
Doesn't
human.
take a lot. Doesn't take a lot.
So-
And yeah, you were talking about the COVID vaccine. One big discussion in the COVID conversation that's been infected is culture is going to change. The way we are behaving is going to change. Patterns are going to change.
Changing.
Human nature is going to change. The new normal, right?
The new normal, huh? Another new normal.
Another new normal.
Every year there's a new normal
Yeah.
now.
So I was thinking that don't you think this pattern change is going to be good for like robbers?
Why? Robbers as in?
As in like people who are wanting to loot you
Loot.
or
Ah.
as in come and
Okay.
rob your house because
Okay.
think about it. A robber can come in a hoodie. Sunglasses,
Ah.
cap,
Ah.
and a mask,
Mask, yeah.
and a big mask.
Oh.
And maybe a face shield. So the reflection also goes
So are you
away.
saying like basically masks are now the robbers have to think of another idea?
No, I'm saying isn't it good for the robbers? Now they're one of us, right? Now imagine a robber comes with that monkey thing or you know
like this basically.
yeah like that So this look in Red Dead and all, it's a
Red
Duckett.
Dead, bro, this is the
No, in the movies also, this is a Duckett look.
Yeah.
You look like a Duckett, right?
bro.
Like you're going to come and rob a train or
and
something.
you wear a hat. That's it. It's done.
Yeah, so don't you think it's
Bro, it's the best.
culture change?
It's the best.
This is going to be good for the robbers.
Of course. Why? What are you planning? For us to steal some vaccines and
No, I'm
distribute
saying
it,
the
Robin
culture
Hood?
change has to come in the CCTV cameras.
100%, bro. 100%.
I'm saying that the CCTV cameras have to adapt. I
Correct.
think that industry is going
You
to...
now start reading my eyes, bro.
I think
this
that
shit
that industry has
Yeah.
to really up its game
Correct.
because now everyone is wearing a
mask. Fucking hell. Bro.
Everyone is not wearing a uniform mask.
Yeah, yeah,
Everyone
yeah.
is someone
Yeah.
is wearing a colorful. Someone has
yeah.
diamonds on their mask.
Your front camera doesn't work anymore.
When
When was the last time you used
no,
your
Apple,
front
Apple is working on to.
Yeah, they better.
Yeah.
Because they charge such absurd rates, bro. They better do something.
So now, don't you think like CCTV cameras need the technology that they can identify without?
No, I
mask?
think eyesight.
Yeah,
It's all about the eyesight.
eyesight.
Yeah.
The skin
Yeah,
texture,
yeah.
the
But then-
hairline.
Yeah, but now what's the point of all this? You're going to be chipped. So now easily anyways you're going to be tracked. What camera is now 2020? Now straight satellite, bro.
Satellite.
Satellite vibe. Shh.
Because I was just thinking, bro. Okay, now it's going to be easy now to enter buildings and all of that.
Yeah. Basically, you're just a regular citizen.
No, even if you steal, the police are going to have a super tough time to catch you.
Correct,
You're fully
correct.
masked
Yeah,
up. Nobody
yeah,
can see
yeah.
how you look.
Yeah. But anyways, I'm expecting a lot of crime to go up anyways.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Yeah, it does grow up. And during times like this,
When
crime...
when humans are suffering, they have to remove their frustration in some way.
That's true.
So,
That's true.
yeah.
But you know what is the biggest crime right now?
What?
Having a cough.
True that, bro. True that. Right now, 10 minutes back, when I did, you know,
Good. You see, you practice. I didn't notice also.
shit, bro, it stays with you, bro.
Yeah.
Like last week I had a bad cold
Yeah.
and cough.
Straight, what does the mind go through? Okay,
Yeah.
COVID ho gaya, why?
Yeah, bro. I was very embarrassed. Firstly, I was very embarrassed, bro. I was embarrassed in a taxi. I was embarrassed on the road. I was embarrassed in office.
Did the taxi guy look
Yeah.
at the rearview
Bro, I
mirror?
was embarrassed at home with my sister.
Oh,
I was
damn.
like, shit.
Oh,
What do you do?
damn. What do you do?
What do you do? Bro, I've literally gone to the bathroom and coughed.
And it's called also na the common flu, common cold cough.
Yeah.
It's like some people get it monthly, weekly.
Correct.
It's very
Correct.
common.
Bro, some people have like a consistent cough because it's a habit.
It's a habit.
So they'll keep,
Yeah.
they'll keep doing that. So tough
So-
luck for those guys. But yeah, it's like a big crime right now, bro.
Bro, it's a taboo. You can't do it.
Anyone's coughed in your store or not? How was your experience?
Bro, it's like because they're customers, you have to be so gentle.
Huh.
You have to ask them, do you want water?
But you like shift back and like get like,
You can't show it.
Correct.
The thing is, it's now ingrained, so you do get scared.
But are you wearing a mask?
Yeah,
Okay, both.
yeah.
Okay, you have to wear the mask.
I wear it, bro, because then you don't know how they feel, right?
Correct,
So you
correct,
don't want to take a chance.
Correct.
So
But some customers have told you, "Hey, remove your mask."
99% of the customers don't wear the mask in the store.
And they tell you, "Please remove your mask." Or
No, they
something.
don't say it.
No, na?
They don't say it. They don't say it. But I know that I don't know how comfortable or uncomfortable they are. I don't take a
Correct,
chance, you know?
Yeah, fair enough. fair
Yeah,
enough,
I don't take a
fair
chance.
enough. Because it's close contact.
No, you don't want that thought also to be in their mind.
True.
You know? Because then you're taking trials and you're making the best stuff. You don't want
Basically, you have to make sure that they forget about all of this when they come to your store.
Exactly. They want to just
How do
enjoy
you
a
make
nice
them
cup of
forget
tea.
about Corona for half an hour?
Yeah. And you know what we talk about? Corona.
Corona, yeah. But positive.
आपका बिजनेस कैसा है? नहीं, आपका बिजनेस कैसा है? सत्यानाश हो गया.
Satyaнаশ. Everyone like, अभी क्या करेगा? But bro, I'm sure there are some bastards who are making so much money now.
Yeah.
And are still saying मेरा धंधा भी fucked हो गया. मेरा धंधा की भी लगी है.
हाँ, Jeff Bezos.
We are
Bill
also
Gates.
suffering.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Amazon and all
You know?
made only na money, bro.
So
Amazon and I think all the guys who are making vitamin.
yeah, vitamins, immunity boosters,
Immunity
fam.
boosters and
Immunity,
vitamins
booming.
Trends, bro. Trends. You know.
So that's that, bro.
अभी 2 साल ये बहुत चलेगा.
Yes. Now
And-
2025 tak, bro.
No, but think about it now. Even if you sneeze, you know, instead of saying God bless you, you should say that may you be vaccinated. Hope you are vaccinated.
In the most negative way possible.
Yeah.
Like
You
God bless you
sneeze,
was a positive way.
God
of
bless you
saying.
was positive. That God bless you, beta.
Huh.
And now you'll be like, hope you're vaccinated.
Hope you're vaccinated.
Yeah.
Hope you're vaccinated.
Yeah.
You know? Fucking hell, bro.
And
Culture.
you you're chipped or
Yeah,
something.
culture, bro. Culture.
Barcode.
Yeah. So you'll start your flash and then the chip will start like, you know, like fucking lighting up bro, through your skin. Your eyes will start going blue and shit, bro.
Yeah. Man.
So is this is this a way to now can you start assuming like as of last year everyone was thinking that okay this is the end of the world.
Oh yeah, bro. Last year we had doomsday.
Doomsday.
threats and all of that.
So now, bro.
Half the things अपन भूल गए, bro.
So 2020, basically, we've assumed that it was just a bad year.
Yeah.
It's just a bad moment in humanity. But now with this carrying on to 2021, is this like a permanent shift? Is this what's going to keep happening till the end of time?
Are you saying that are we in a hangover of 2020?
No, I'm saying like, is this the beginning of the end, brother?
Are you saying that we are entering a Kalyug
Yes, in a way.
in a way?
In a way.
Yeah. Well, it's not a bad thought because in a way, the concept of Kalyug is the whole civilization coming to a end of a cycle, right? And right now, what's happening? The whole civilization has one problem. Everybody, the whole world together has one problem that's never happened before. Not even during the World War times. Every country has gone through COVID. Can you imagine? Started from someone eating a bat
Yeah,
in
bullshit.
Wuhan.
Yeah, bullshit.
The bats are still being eaten.
Bullshit.
And now, last year though it was fucking chaotic,
Chaotic.
right? Bombay had bloody thunderstorms and all, which I've never seen in
Thunderstorms,
fucking
bro.
27, 28 years
Bro,
of my
that-
life.
Just think about it. We are the only looking at India. Just look at what happened around the world, bro.
Chaos.
Yeah, like Australia was burning.
Yeah.
LA was burning.
Oh yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
there were fucking famines.
Yeah.
There's war.
So, another thing what they say in Kalyug is that basically the rulers don't get along with the citizens. So Black
Yeah,
Lives Matter,
correct,
farmers protest.
Correct. Now
So many protests.
Asian lives
You were
matter.
telling me in Berlin,
Yeah,
there
bro.
was a
The
protest.
anti-vaccine protest.
anti-vaccine
protest. You
then
know?
Asian hate.
Asian hate, bro, and the list
lots
goes
more.
on and on.
Yeah,
bro.
lots more.
And these are just like some sort of fucking stuff that the media has covered. What's going on in
Exactly.
Myanmar?
Yeah,
You know what's going on between China and India?
yeah.
You know all of
hard,
that
bro.
shit, bro.
That's hard. Yeah.
So
Another thing, you know what they say in Kalyug? Kalyug has lots of things that they say. Okay, there are many things.
basically there are 4 terms, right?
No.
There are four
cycles.
4 cycles.
Okay.
In Kali.
Yeah. No. Overall, there are 4 cycles. Kalyug is the end of the
Yes,
cycle.
the last cycle is
The
Kali.
last
The 4th cycle is Kali.
Yeah. So apparently they say that Kalyug, the first Kalyug was started. Not the first one, but after the Mahabharata ended, a few years after that, I think the Kalyug had started.
Okay.
So that's how they're calculating it.
Okay.
So apparently it should not come right now.
Okay.
But why we are talking about it is because the whole world is going through the
Correct.
same problems. And these kind of problems that the rulers don't get along with the citizens, and there's chaos and confusion.
Confusion.
One Kali Yuga thing, they say that there's a lot of confusion.
Which is, there's only confusion right
And
now.
it's propagated more.
Okay.
So there's obviously we are seeing that there is propaganda happening from all sides.
True.
But one more thing that they say, which is not related to COVID, but they say that everything is sexualized during the Kali Yuga, you know.
Okay.
Everything is done for sex. So, but don't you think like that makes sense in today's time because of like OnlyFans? Yeah, I'm just saying at an amateur level, right? See, there was a big separation between...
You're saying people are just going crazy behind sex. Everyone
Like-
is just chasing sex.
I'm saying I can see that this is the beginning of it.
Okay, fair enough. Where everything you do, whether it's wake up, sleep, bath, brush your teeth, will only direct to one motive, which is sex.
Yeah.
Like the end goal of life is to have
That's what they say during a
sexual
Kali Yuga.
intercourse with as many human beings.
Yeah, like
as you
your intent in every interaction
Correct.
you have with anybody or anything that you do
is going to be
has a
sexualized.
sexual part to it. And I'm not saying that
I think it started, bro.
I'm not saying that we are totally
Correct,
living for
correct.
sex, but I'm saying that maybe this is the beginning of Kali Yuga.
Are you saying that sex will overpower money as well? Your need for money over your need for sex in a way,
I think it's
right? Because indirectly everything is connected together, and one thing
but I
leads
think-
to another.
But one second, you're saying overpower, but I'm saying, don't you think sex as like it's very up there in terms of power?
Power, yeah, true.
In terms of power,
Yes.
right?
But then different people have different definitions of power.
Exactly. But I'm saying it's a very powerful
Yeah.
topic. It's though it's taboo in a few
Because
places and all.
if you ask a normal person,
Huh.
okay, what's your end goal? What do you want?
Yeah.
What do you want? Okay,
Yeah.
what do you want in life?
Yeah.
What are they going to say? Money.
Yeah.
The most common.
No, but because it's taboo, nobody will say it. But I'm saying in your
Correct. But actually, what your brain wants to say and what you actually mean
exactly
is sex.
yeah.
Because indirectly, money will lead you to sex.
Exactly.
In a way.
Exactly. So obviously, it's a known fact that
Yeah.
you have a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's definitely
Yeah.
easier
Because
for you
money
to,
gives you a lot of qualities
Yeah.
that sets you apart from a normal individual.
Of course.
Right?
It's attractive.
True that, bro. Money, bro.
Yeah.
You know?
So I think sex is already up there with money in terms of power.
That's what I want
You
to
know. But yeah, everything is sexualized, and I think this is the start because before when it came to like OnlyFans, I'm thinking it's amateur porn only, bro.
It's soft porn.
It's pretty much soft. What
Correct.
soft porn, bro? Soft porn, they don't show anything. At least.
Correct.
I think the OnlyFans, so they go all out.
All
Some
out.
people have sex and all on OnlyFans.
Oh, heavy.
Right? And
Heavy. Must be.
it's absolutely allowed.
Must be.
So before there was a big difference between a porn star and a regular person, right? And then there were sex tapes, right?
Sex tapes.
Sex tapes were bridging the gap between citizens and porn stars, normal
yeah.
people.
Sex
and-
tapes,
yeah.
bro. Fuck. Sex tapes have made a lot of careers. you
Yeah,
know,
exactly. So now you're making sex tapes. You're not leaking sex.
You're not
sex
leaking
tapes.
sex tapes, correct?
Right?
Now you're monetizing.
You're monetizing on.
Now
your,
you're directly monetizing.
on your sex
Basically,
tapes.
you're telling the public, this is me.
Right.
You know, you want a second one?
Yeah, and just look at
Because 2 sex tapes can't be leaked.
Bro,
only one can be leaked.
OnlyFans is not popping for 1 or 2 girls, not 1,000 girls. Trust me, it's like YouTube. It's popping for a lot of people, bro.
Lot of people, huh?
Lot of people. Some are making millions. Some are making thousands,
bro.
but lot of people
Correct.
are making money.
So this is your way
from
of
showing
saying
tits
that.
and ass and
Correct.
sex and whatnot.
So this is your way of saying that a lot of things have now been sexualized. Like even like your basic daily
Like I think
interaction.
it's starting.
It's start- yeah, 100%, I
No,
agree.
nah, because we're talking about Kali Yuga, and I read
and
that.
it's a core part of Kali Yuga, right?
Yeah,
So makes sense.
So-
makes sense.
possible.
Makes sense.
Possible.
Bro, another theory, okay, bro, what I did little research about, bro, is known as the Gaia hypothesis. Basically, what they say, like what we presume Earth is just like, say, it's just like a piece of land, right? It's just land. It's not a living organism.
Correct.
People have inhabited Earth that are living on the planet. But actually, there's this hypothesis that says that Earth itself is a living,
Absolutely.
whatever you can say, like a living...
It's a frequency.
it's an energy.
It's an energy.
It's an energy, right?
Yeah.
It's living.
Yeah, I think the Indians have been believing this since.
So planet Earth is actually a living creature.
Yeah.
Okay, and basically it's a way of planet Earth. So when there's overpopulation on planet Earth, and planet Earth cannot bear that kind of population because of the amount of shit that's happening, like we discussed, from famines to fires to all the natural disasters.
Correct.
What the Earth does is that as Earth's instinct, like say for example, if you're in front of a car, you'll move.
Are you talking detox?
No, bro. What I'm talking is that the Earth, as a way of predicting its own future and surviving, is throwing all these things out to
That's
humans.
what I'm saying. Are you saying that the Earth is going through a detox?
Yeah, bro. In a way, not
going through a
detox, bro.
cleanse?
Yeah, like a cleanse. Ki nikalo.
High fiber diet.
Yes, brother. Yes. Isabgul vibes, bro. You know that high fiber, the Earth is just flushing out all the toxins.
Because now imagine why we are talking about Kali Yuga is also because the whole world is going through this problem, right? So when the whole world is going through a problem related to health, right? Not finance or nothing, to health, you always think about end of times. Correct?
Correct.
You always think about that.
Correct.
The whole fucking world, man. You know, so what if today Corona has 1% chances of death? You know,
the fatality
what if it
rate
is 10%? What if it next
Correct.
disease is 20%? You never know,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So that's why the topic of Kali Yuga, because at the end Kali Yuga is the end of the cycle.
Yeah,
you know, and you know the concept of like end of a cycle has been there in all societies, all religions.
Yep.
Out here we call it Kali Yuga. You know, the Vikings had a name for it called Ragnarok. They had also had the same concept. That,
Bro, Hindus call it Kali Yuga.
yeah.
Now Muslims and Christians are firm believers of Jesus Christ being reborn, right?
Yeah.
And he comes to protect and save planet Earth against the devil.
Yeah. They also have Qayamat.
Qayamat. Now, so
They
that's
also
a way.
Qayamat.
That's their thinking.
Yeah.
Right.
Aztecs.
Yeah.
We know.
Yeah.
Right?
Aztecs we know. Yeah.
So all these.
So everything
Egyptians,
is united by one solid point.
Yeah.
That there is an end.
There is an end.
There is an end, brother.
There is an end.
So is this the beginning of the end?
Is this the beginning of the end?
You know.
Is this the beginning of the end? That and obviously the end doesn't have to mean that it's coming in 30, 50, 100 years. It can come after 2000 years.
Correct.
But civilization takes
Correct.
its time to change.
Of course, now because say for example, like all these ages,
Like they say the Kali Yuga lasts
Yeah.
for 2100 or something.
all
odd
these
years.
ages that we go through, Stone Age,
Yeah.
Industrial Age, and all doesn't last for like 2-3 years. It lasts for hundreds
Thousands
of years.
of years.
Thousands of years. Thousands of years.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Yeah.
Medieval age.
Yeah. So you said the Stone Age and all that. All societies also believed that we have gone through ages. It's not only
Correct.
like it was then the Vedas that there's this Satyug and Kali Yuga and all of that.
Ages of empires.
Yeah, but Stone Age, Iron Age, they've all ages.
Correct.
Right? There was a period of time.
Yes.
And they also have behavioral patterns based on ages. That in Iron Age it was like this, in Gold Age it was like this, in Stone Age it was like this.
Absolutely. And every age ended, right?
Yeah.
So
The end of the Roman age, whatever that age was when the Roman Empire came to a and they say that people were very deceiving. Everyone was deceiving. Cunning, yeah. Everything was matlab se matlab. That was the behavior pattern that time.
True. Makes sense now that you recall all the movies. Everyone just wants to kill everyone.
Everyone wants to just kill everyone. Yeah, so end of times, bruh.
The end of times, man. It is
Maybe
what
we
it
are
is,
just,
yo.
you know, 40-20 is the
Yo,
last
that's
day.
it, bro. Shit. Would you want to see the last day on planet Earth?
I don't
Like,
care, bro.
what's
I
up?
don't care.
Peace.
The thing is, I have seen such nice things and such nice possibilities. I want to achieve those things, bro.
Achieve.
Right? I don't want to live the rest of my life trying to survive.
Okay. Now, as Devang is a very motivated individual, right?
Yes.
So, now, say the world is ending, okay? But Elon is now taking you
All right.
because you're such a hard worker. 365 days a year you work.
All right.
Okay. He's picked you and told you that we are sending you to Mars to live the rest of your days as a savage.
So you're telling
Would
me.
you go?
So your question is that should I leave my current life?
Would you leave a rotting planet Earth?
Hey, don't be mean to our
rotting planet
mean
Earth,
to our planet,
okay?
Rahul.
Until it's reborn after Ice Age. That's when like restart. Now you restart the
So
PC.
are you saying that if Elon gives me an offer to go and
Go to
start a
Mars.
civilization?
Yeah, to live.
So
the rest
leave
of
this
your days,
lifestyle.
Leave this lifestyle.
Of podcast,
Everything,
go to work,
everything.
You know, the nice life,
Yes.
and become a hunter gatherer.
Yes. Who I call like a savage.
It's very difficult.
Basically become Arthur of Red Dead Redemption in Mars.
It's very difficult, bro. It's very difficult.
But think about it, bro.
Because this thing-
you're going to suffer here.
I know, bro. I know. And when you go to Mars, you're saving the whole
imagine,
world.
Imagine.
I know.
Like
I've seen Interstellar.
You'll have to you'll be in charge of reproduction.
Yeah, I know.
So every inhabitant of planet Mars will have the Javeri sperm.
Yes.
So you would be like God.
No, that's what I'm saying. It's a very difficult question because the odds are equal, right?
You know. So, but I'm saying pick it.
I'm just weighing my pros and cons.
Okay.
Now the Earth is evolved, right?
Not evolved, bro.
Rahul, please, bro.
I told you it's rotting.
No. See, we have a little.
But if it's evolved, why would people want to go to Mars?
I think you know what? Earth is a fine old gentleman, but who's suffering with stage 1 cancer right now. You know, so recovery is possible. I'm saying we are not stage.
But
4.
are you going to take the chemo back?
I'm saying that.
Tell me that.
That's what I'm saying.
Tell me that.
So we have to take the chemo, but we can recover.
Hmm.
I don't know forever. We might get it back, but we can recover for a long time.
That's why I'm saying, bro, say goodbye to all your worries.
But I'm saying that
And
your
go.
question
Wow,
is
Mars.
really good that I have to weigh the pros and cons.
Okay.
So living on Earth now, see, technology and all is evolved, right? We have seen the comfort and the ease of life. Okay, now we are little pussies. Now we can't go becoming hunter gatherers and all. I'm a vegetarian. I don't have that option. Plants don't grow in Mars.
Hey.
You know. No,
I'm sure you'll have your packaged food
I'm
there,
just
bro. It'll
telling
reach you, bro. Bro, imagine the quality and all, bro. The oxygen, whatever soil oil quality, what vegetables will come.
But my body is adapted to you, na.
So bro, that
But
don't
on
worry.
the contrary,
That don't worry.
on the contrary, going to Mars, setting up a civilization or being a part of the whole society that sets up the civilization there.
One of the founding fathers of
One of the
planet
founding
Mars.
fathers, you know?
Father Devang, they would call you.
And also I'll be on phone call basis with Elon Musk.
Of course.
Right?
Of course.
Elon I have to give updates
Bro.
to Elon, right?
Bro, daily meetings, Zoom calls.
Zoom calls.
Update 10:30 p.m. Wake up, take the call to the moon. Think about it, bro. And you're on rotting Earth. It's rotting day by day, bro. So think about it.
I would go.
100% you would go.
I would go.
I knew it.
I'd go.
I knew it. You would go.
I'd go.
You know, you have to do it. You have to do
I
it.
would go.
So do you think it's just me and you thinking of such hypothetical questions, or
No,
the
I think
public
not.
is now thinking, okay, what's this Elon up to? What is going on?
No,
Is space travel now going to boom?
Bruh, I think this situation of COVID has been the best marketing Elon needed for the Mars project of his.
You think
the
so, fam?
civilization in Mars. I'll tell you why. Just in our second podcast, I asked you a question that do you think in our lifetime we would get to see an alien or we would see the first human go and inhabit Mars,
Planet
start
Mars.
a colony there?
Uh-huh.
What did we both say?
I
That
think
Mars तो possible ही नहीं.
हाँ, Mars तो नहीं.
Alien शायद
alien,
देखने
हाँ,
मिलेगा पर
correct.
the thought of going to Mars is
Absurd. Never been done before.
Never been done before, but now, as you said, people are saying that this planet is rotting.
Rotting, boss. Niklo.
Cancer हो गया है ये
Yeah.
दुनिया
And
को.
now also to
Now I'm telling you, people will invest more.
Yes, bro. That's why I'm saying not only people, but Elon is only investing so much more money. Amazon, Jeff Bezos, they're saying is pumping in billions every year.
Yeah.
They're saying that the next thing whoever's going to be the next number one billionaire on planet Earth is going to have space travel in the palm of his hands.
Has to.
Facts.
Has to. Because now it all makes sense. Now we are not going to argue it. We were laughing at it just 1 year ago. Now we're not laughing at it as hard. Now we are like, bruh,
It's happening.
maybe he's right.
Yeah.
Maybe we don't know any
Correct,
better.
correct.
Maybe he has also thought it out. So you have to weigh the options, and maybe him talking to all the scientists and all of that, he's seen the research. Maybe there is a possibility that we need to go and establish ourselves somewhere else.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
Because we all know that he's not a fool, and people don't put their money in fools.
True that, bro.
But I think now he's gotten enough marketing and enough pull to
make it happen.
His
also.
company is going
Bro,
to be
I
successful.
heard that he just closed I think some $2 billion deal with NASA
Yeah.
to send people to moon.
Yeah.
They
also closed I think after 18-20 years, the SpaceX was the first company from America to send the astronauts to the space station.
Okay.
Because they used to always go from Russia.
Russia, no?
Yeah.
Fair enough.
So,
Fair enough.
That's a big
So-
advancement. Yeah.
So it's possible.
Would you go?
100%.
You'd also go.
100%. I'm out.
Good.
I'm out.
Chalo,
I don't wanna
we'll
pay
continue the
taxes.
podcast.
Don't want to pay taxes.
We'll continue the podcast.
Yeah.
Another question. Do you think that is the reason Elon Musk is so heavily investing in Bitcoin? Think about it. Think about it. Your Earth currency, now today your India ka currency doesn't work in China. China ka currency doesn't work in America. Right? But Bitcoin works everywhere.
Everywhere. Correct.
Right?
Correct.
Now, if you're going to Mars, we've seen few movies and all of that. We know that they can manage the internet there. They can
Yeah, of
manage
course,
communication there.
Internet best internet.
Right? So communication is going to be managed. Eventually, internet has to be there. Right? So the ideal world is that
But the satellite is so close by.
Right? So it's
You
possible.
come your radius.
Right? So what's one thing
Ah.
that is going to be equal for everybody is Bitcoin. Is going to be cryptocurrency.
Is that why he sent Dogecoin also to the moon?
So फिर-
Yesterday only, no?
Think about it.
$50 or something, huh?
Think about it. That currency will not work in Mars.
Damn, bro, that's
But
a great
Bitcoin
point.
will work.
Because how the fuck are you gonna? Why do you wanna like have fucking solid money?
Exactly.
The concept of solid money will cease to exist.
Because you know why? You need people, you need a factory, you need machines to make
Fuck
it.
that shit.
You need raw
Fuck
material.
that shit. Blockchain.
Blockchain.
Bro.
Now you want
blockchain, bro.
Yeah.
It's just like there, but it's not there.
Yeah.
In a way, that's a great point. But oh yeah, bro.
So it's not
That's
only
true.
good marketing for
That's
Elon,
true.
but I think
It's a way of introducing a new future, bro.
yeah, it's people talk about a global currency.
One currency.
Yeah, one currency.
You
Bro,
know?
this is a currency, one universal currency, literally universal. Like universal makes the word universal makes the most sense when it comes to Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, correct.
Or crypto.
Correct. Because it's one currency that everyone accepts and everyone trades with, so it's fine. Fair enough. That's a great point. I think that's actually going to happen.
It might happen.
Just think about it.
Yeah.
We won't be there to see it, but it's 100% fact.
So you're still saying right now? You asked me this question. You're still saying
No,
that
we won't. No, brother.
We won't be there to see the travel to Mars.
We won't be able
Abhi
to.
to bola
No,
tha Rahul.
Arey, we'll see that, but we won't be able to see buying and selling using Bitcoin on planet Mars.
Why?
Yet. No, it's too early.
इंटरनेट है, ब्लॉकचेन
Bro.
है, ब्लॉकचेन को उधर डुप्लीकेट करो,
पर
कुछ
उधर
नहीं
से
है.
क्या खरीदेगा क्या?
अरे कुछ you can use it as even a reservoir.
As a way
ना?
to buy like goods
Yeah.
and services.
उधर भी तो जाएगा तो तेको पैसा तो मिलेगा ना, खेती करने का पैसा तो देगा ना इलॉन.
हाँ, वो तो
आलू बनाने का तेको जाने का उधर सॉइल वॉइल
हाँ,
सैम्पलिंग
वो तो
करने का
करना ही
सबका.
पड़ेगा, वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
Otherwise it's slavery, bro.
Slavery है. हाँ,
You understand?
सही है,
Even in the jail they have to pay you money.
सही है. So I'll have to but I'll earn in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crypto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, the internet is going to be there, as you said, satellite है ना.
Then I'll have to take care of my wives
So crypto
and my
is-
children.
Yeah.
You know, so they'll also need money.
No. Children, I think they'll figure a way out.
They'll figure it.
Yeah, I don't think they'll
because
want,
there'll be many.
No, I don't think in Mars they'll want our influence on the kids.
Okay.
They'll want to bring up the kids in what they think is
But
right.
what if one day they just let you go and they'll just leave you in the middle of
Yeah.
space? You'll just be floating.
No, you'll have to sign contracts. You're just the genetic father. You're not the emotional parent.
Okay.
I think I'm just
Damn, bro.
assuming.
But then
Random.
always, bro, all this shit now, bro, the good guy always gets fucked. That's why I'm a little skeptical now.
Bruh,
You know,
made
like,
a decision.
You
though.
know? But fuck it, we're anyways dying. You know? Might as well see some shit no other human being has
Damn,
seen.
bro.
Damn.
2022 is coming.
2022, lockdown in 2022, bro, predicted now. Chal, predict. I ain't doing another fucking COVID podcast till 2022 now.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
No,
So
no, of course
right
not.
now, I ask you,
COVID is ending October 2021.
2021, it's ending.
Yeah.
October.
Yeah. You think this year is gone in COVID?
It's gone.
You think all the conversations are going to be infected this entire year?
Yes. Because I'll tell you something, bro. To vaccinate so many people is not going to take like few months. It's going to take years.
And everyone is asking questions about the
you know?
vaccine.
Yeah.
So the conversation is going to be alive
Correct.
and poppin'.
Correct. Or you just accept it and move the fuck on,
Yeah.
bro. Which is very doubtful right now.
So this fucking pandemic has been horrendous when it comes to every aspect of our living. Right? Health, well-being,
Correct.
finance, fucking everything. Mental health.
Correct.
Any positives? Other than the fucking now we are more hygienic as a
Go
country. Like that's basic. I know that.
That's not basic that you have to be as a human.
That you have to be as a human.
If you're not a dumb fuck.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, if you, think
should
that,
be hygienic.
If you think that COVID has given you some fucking sense to
Yeah.
be more hygienic, na chut, flush yourself in the
Even I'm like, yeah, that's basic.
You know how using sanitizer and my hands will burn out, bro. Start looking like an 80-year-old.
Thug hai, bro.
You know, Positives, bro. Right now, zero.
Zero, bro.
Zero.
Fuck COVID.
If you think there are positives,
Yeah.
you are against humanity.
You're COVID positive.
You're against humanity, and you're COVID positive. You're against humanity.
You're team COVID.
Okay, you're against humanity.
You like
you
the
are the
word
confusion in Kali Yuga.
You like COVID or you like Corona? The name.
Corona is a good beer, bro.
I think Corona, what happened is
You know,
they
they
changed
just
it. You know
fucked
why?
that
Because
Corona.
COVID-19 sounds like a disease. Whereas Corona, it sounds a little casual.
Corona.
I don't think Ebola was taken seriously.
Ebola.
If it
Ebola.
was, yeah.
Ebola.
If it was something Ebola X19 or something, it would
Imagine
be,
that's what,
yeah.
bro. That's what.
So Corona, they were like, नहीं ये नहीं चलेगा.
COVID-19.
First they were like SARS-2 बुलाते.
yes,
नहीं
SARS-2 नहीं.
SARS-1 तो easy खत्म हो गया. Public को लगेगा कुछ नहीं है.
तो COVID-19.
नया कुछ नया डालो.
Yes. Ebola. फिर these bird flu and all that are the most generic names, but scary.
But
You know?
COVID,
COVID, bro. COVID was.
See, when you say bird flu, one second. When I say bird flu, you know what I'm talking about.
Correct. But when you say COVID, like, oh shit.
क्या है?
Bro.
19 ये 19 क्या है?
It's a proper strain name. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like a
Scientific approach.
Like a what do you call those names, bro? Like codes.
Codes.
Codes, you know? It's code language now.
Heavy, bro. So no positives.
No positives, bro.
Fuck Corona.
Yeah.
Let's hope we don't do another podcast on Corona.
Yeah.
Highly unlikely, but let's be positive about it.
100%, bro.
But on an ending note, one person who's kept us entertained through this new lockdown, Jake Paul.
Jake Paul, I knew you were saying that shit, bro. Jake Paul fought yesterday, na?
Yeah,
Yesterday.
Jake Paul.
Like,
Ben
what was
Askren.
that, bro?
As predicted, bro.
What was that?
I don't know why everyone was just like
Against him?
so against Jake Paul. I don't get it.
But I'll tell you what, after watching that, after yesterday, like it reminded me a bit of Floyd Mayweather's era. Because everyone just hated the guy, but
Yeah.
everyone tuned in.
Everybody
Like,
tuned in.
He's trying to do something similar. Basically, he's just going to be the villain.
Please understand, he's already doing something similar. He did a 1.3 million pay-per-view buy on his own
Isn't
back.
that more than Conor McGregor?
Yeah,
And,
on his own
Dustin?
back. On his own back. Yo,
Yeah, because there was nobody. Like, undercard was who?
Conor McGregor fighting is being promoted by UFC, Dustin Poirier, all the media,
Correct.
fucking then Conor.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
Dana.
This is
everyone.
just. This is just.
who's promoting
This
it.
is just like YouTube audience and like
This
just
is
their
just
own.
Jake Paul
Jake
promoting
Paul, yeah.
it.
Jake Paul, Logan Paul.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And a few of their category influencers
Yeah.
who know about this space.
Yeah, but just think about the fucking reach.
Madness,
It's
bro.
madness, bro.
Madness.
They have brought
Madness.
fucking eyes to boxing and you can't deny that.
But I'll tell you what, bro. After yesterday, I don't think like he's gonna call out shots now. People are gonna call out shots on him. Like everyone wants that money fight.
I think Dylan Dennis should be the next fight, and I
Yeah,
think he
yeah.
should whoop Dylan Dennis
Yeah,
also.
yeah. But I think who should come and whoop him then? Conor.
Conor, yeah, but Conor, right now, not Dana. I don't think likes the Paul brothers because I think he thinks that they're getting everything too fast. See,
And they're stealing his views, bro.
bro, views. Nobody
Come on.
saw the Whittaker fight.
Yeah, nobody saw the Whittaker, but what a fight!
Yeah, nobody saw it.
What a fight!
You know who else didn't see it?
Who?
Me.
Okay. Even I didn't. I just saw the highlights.
So that's what I'm saying.
But this Jake Paul, I just started it, bro. I didn't even watch the undercard fights and all. I just
I
started
didn't
it,
even- I didn't
and
watch
that's when the fight started. Okay,
Yeah.
exactly. Like, and it got over, bro.
Yeah, and to be honest, okay, Ben Askren was too bad. I think we all knew it. Like people who are little, not casuals and know a little bit about it also were like,
They
yeah,
know.
it's not
Yeah,
gonna happen. But I'm saying Jake Paul also, to be honest, he fought well, but he was also throwing haymakers left and right, bro. So I think he has to fight MMA guys.
Yeah,
if he
has
gets in
to,
a
he
ring
has
with a
to.
boxer,
He has to, bro. But
He'll get whooped.
Did you see that part? You know who? Oh, by the way, you know who's Floyd Mayweather's? What Floyd Mayweather? Jake Paul's coach,
Jay Leon.
Jay Leon. Who's Jay Leon?
Yeah,
You know who he is? We remember we used to see him in 24/7.
yeah,
He's Mayweather's boy.
yeah. I told you the story. How he
Jay Leon
got into this. He was sparring with Mayweather. He got into the doghouse.
Oh, he got in a doghouse.
Yeah, and
Jay Leon was in the doghouse.
I told you na that
True,
basically Mayweather said that start the timer 15-minute
Continuous.
rounds. Yeah, and he knew that this is one way that Floyd counters a right. So he knew that if he takes one shot, he can give one shot also.
Oh.
You know, So Floyd was getting that one shot and he was getting that counter back. And he
Jay Leon.
bloodied Floyd's nose after the fight. Floyd went up to him in the locker
Signed
room, signed him, and he won a.
Jay Leon. No, he
yeah.
became big.
He became
But-
big and he won a fucking championship.
Yeah, he was a championship fighter.
Yeah.
And I was shocked because then in the back, if you saw a few videos of Tyron Woodley and Jay Leon going at it.
Tyron Woodley, bro, I don't think he could talk, bro. I think this Jake Paul and this Jay Leon were just like playing with him. Now Tyron Woodley is a fucking killer. MMA fighter.
And a striker, bro.
But he does. But these kids are outclassing them when it comes to trash talk. That's a fact.
There's only one guy who can do it, and that's Conor fucking McGregor.
Because
Conor will shut him up.
No, because Conor has the boxing skills.
Yeah.
Right?
And bro, he went how many rounds with Mayweather?
7. Yeah. He has the boxing skills.
Correct. Yeah, like this guy would whoop his ass.
Bro, Conor in a boxing match with Jake Paul would be unbelievable.
But what if the uncertain happens?
That's
bro?
why I want I want the next fight to be Dylan Dennis. And then that's because Dylan Dennis
Correct.
is his partner, na? Conor is partner, training partner.
His jiu-jitsu coach.
Yeah. And then that's the way to go to Conor.
That would be a great bout, but it's going to happen.
I think it's going to
just
happen.
There's too much on the line and there's too much money for both the parties to be made for them not to make it happen.
Rahul, 1.3 million pay-per-view buys.
Incredible.
1.3 million.
That's how much? Easy 100 mil?
That's what UFC couldn't do with Khabib.
Correct. This guy's like making 50 mil a fight, bro. Right now, just think about it. 1.2 million pay-per-view buys is $100, 120 million right there. Okay. 1.3. So 130 million right there.
Yeah. No,
okay.
65 million exact because it's $50 a.
Okay, charge $50.
Yeah.
65 million.
Yeah, they made 65. That's the exact figure.
We're not even talking about sponsorship money. We're not even talking about those how many ever people were in the arena. I don't know whether it was on invite or they purchased tickets.
Invite.
Okay.
Invite.
65 million.
Yeah.
For like 10 seconds of beating.
Yeah.
Not bad.
And but I just thought that the concert was a little boring. Like, but I understand that the entire audience watching that event, they were watching it like a festival. They were not watching it for the boxing. Because I got bored. This fucking Justin Bieber singing and then Snoop Dogg and Ice Cube and all. It was a very half-hearted approach to the performance. It was nothing like. It was not like when you see it in the Grammys, they go all out with something and they get a concept in or something.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see the fight, but they made it like a festival, and I think it works.
No, because the
This
young
concept
audience,
works.
they love to watch all this.
Yeah.
They want to make a big deal out of it. Like you're not only paying $50 for Jake Paul, but you're also paying $50 to watch Justin Bieber perform.
So you think Elon would send Jake Paul to Mars?
Huh? We should all send him. Bhejo, jao. Send him.
Send him.
The fight to Mars, bro. Whoever wins goes to Mars. Imagine that fight, bro.
On that note, fuck COVID. GLE.
We gone.
Ciao, ciao.